take it all in. Every little moment passing by, every little detail catching my eye. Take it all in, nothing more to chase today, just a different view along the way. Oh, take it all in. Take it all in. A slower rhythm in the air, people moving without hurry. A quiet feeling comes and goes, like a page that's turning softly. Take it all in, every little moment passing by, every little detail catching my eye. Take it all in, nothing more to chase today, just a different view along the way. Oh, take it all in. Golden in between, all the quiet in the air. Nothing really said, but I feel it everywhere. Little passing lights dancing softly on my skin in this gentle flow. I don't need to rush again. Shadows move in time with the rhythm of the day. Every little glance slowly drifting far away. There's a subtle spark in the way the moment stays. I don't question why, I just let it fade and play. Golden in between, all the quiet in the air. Nothing really said, but I feel it everywhere. Little passing lights dancing softly on my skin in this gentle flow. I don't need to rush again. Maybe I'll remember, maybe I will not, but it doesn't matter, I still like this spot. Floating through the hours like a softened melody. Everything is simple, just the way it needs to be. Golden in between, now the world is slowing down. Every step I take feels a little more like home. In this quiet glow, I can finally just be still. Nothing more to chase, only time to change.
the hallway floor. Someone's checking in a little late. A suitcase rolling through the quiet sound. Another story starts today. Windows catching colors from outside. Cars and people moving far below. Everything is already alive, even when it's moving slow. Right here, right now, this is where I wanna be. New view, new day, waiting just in front of me. Every little moment's shining through, nothing more I need to do. Right here, right now, everything feels new. Plates and conversations fill the room. The day begins with easy smiles. Looking out across the waking streets, staying just a little while.